Hey there, welcome to day 1623 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transition from brick and mortar corporate world of businesses to the online world of business and back and forth since the COVID pandemic. Today is the 4th of July here in the United States. So of course, to me, the 4th of July is all about fun, family, fireworks, and food. And so I'm going to be doing a lot of that today and enjoying my family, enjoying the holiday. I think now more than ever we need to celebrate as Americans our country's birthday, despite what's going on in the economy, despite what's going on politically, despite what's supposedly going on and all the infighting, because there really isn't any. If you live in America, you know what's really going on, and it's very, very different than what the media portrays and what they paint as life in America is like. Americans are amazing human beings, amazing people, and we love one another and we treat one another with dignity and respect the vast majority of the time. And it's only when the media has their own agenda or politicians have their own agenda that they highlight things that are absolute lies, not true. So I am not going to watch any media today, because why would I? I'm going to enjoy family, fireworks, fun, and food, of course, because with 4th of July celebrations comes our own fun food traditions. So our idiom for Supersize Your Business today, we're working on the area of contribution for the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge. This month is July is all focused on the area of contribution, which means to me, how do we interact with the rest of the world? How do we interact with other human beings? And not with respect to relationships, but what do we put out into the world? What do we put out for energy? What do we put out for effort and work and purpose and impact and influence and all those things that have to do with the way we show up in the world? And I will contend forever that the only way we can show up is as who we really are. I say be you, everybody else is taken, right? And nobody is exactly like you. We might have similarities and things in common with other people, of course we do, because we're all human, but we also are this unique mix and blend of experiences and everything that makes us special and unique, and that's why we need to show up in the world as who we are, because that gives other people permission to do the same thing. So our idiom for today for Supersize Your Business is to do a good turn. This is an expression that's been around since the 1400s, so it's very, very old, and it calls to mind, to me, the law of reciprocity. What we put out into the world is what we give back. What you give out in terms of what you want to receive in your life, give that out. If you want to receive love, give love. If you want to receive money, give money. If you want to receive time and energy and effort, put time and energy and effort into the things that will create those things in your life. So talked a little bit about customer experience, working for free, doing good things and good deeds and not even to brag about it or tell the world, things like that, because it's one of my personal pet peeves. And then for our challenge today, our annual challenge, our topic was contribution core values. So what are our core values with respect to the area of contribution? And I usually pick 3, and then I boil it down to one main core value for each of the 9 areas and aspects of the life framework that I deal with, because 9 things are plenty for me to remember and work on throughout the course of my life and year. And this is not the first year that I've done an annual challenge personally with respect to becoming a better human being. This is probably my 10th year or so. To be like, aren't you done yet? I'm like, nope, we're never done. As human beings, we always want to be a better version of ourselves. And no matter how much work we do on ourselves, there's always room for improvement, right? Because none of us is exactly like we want to be, and none of us will ever be perfect. Sorry, newsflash, none of us are ever going to be perfect at probably just about anything. There might be one person that's perfect at everything and anything in the world, but it's not going to be me. So we talked about that today, and we're just going to share one core value with respect to the area of contribution. And mine's probably going to be something with giving, or give what you want to receive, or give to get, or make the world a better place, maybe. I don't remember what I use for spirituality. I'll have to go back and check, but that's what I'm working on. It's a holiday. I'm going to have a fun, amazing day. I stayed up way too late last night for several reasons, and that's part of holiday weekends, I guess, at least for me, and family celebrations. If I can help you in any way, hit me up and ask. I might be delayed in responding today. I might be blowing things up. Fireworks are one of my favorite things. Family was in fireworks for about 25 years. I was. And then one of my sisters and brother-in-laws took over that business, so we just get to enjoy them now. We don't have to go sell them, which makes the 4th of July a lot less stressful. All right, if I can help you, ask. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow.